Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the transfer case fluid in this 2010 Ford Explorer. The Explorer is the XLT and is a 4x4 truck. And I already started off lifting the car from the front, and I do have my jack stands in the sides just to minimize the risk for an accident. Okay, here under the car I have my transfer case. Is this one here. I have the filling plug, the draining plug, and I have this plate here that is on the way to drain the fluid. So I'm gonna start off removing this plate. There are 2 screws in each side, so total 4. I'm gonna remove those to get this plate out of the way. The socket size for those bolts is 13 millimeters. Without that plate, the next step is gonna be remove the filling plug. You have to do this first, because if not, if you remove the drain plug and this one is seized, then you will have a transfer case with no fluid. I'm gonna put something to catch the fluid just in case. Okay, and the next thing is gonna be then drain the fluid. For that we need to remove this drain plug. And I'm gonna let all the fluid come out until we don't have more fluid in the transfer case. Now that all the fluid is out, I'm gonna place back my drain plug. I apply a little bit of thread sealant. Some people like to apply it, some people don't. It's up to you. I do like to do that. I have never had a problem with it, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna hand tight the drain plug. Just be gentle, because the body of the transfer case is made out of aluminum. Okay, now we're gonna place fluid in the transfer case. This one holds something around 1.5 quarts, and the OEM brand, which is Motorcraft, is or has to be Motorcraft with the specification XL12. If you guys cannot find it, you can use a generic one, which is the case of what I'm gonna do. But one generic that actually states that is equivalent to the Ford XL12. Be careful with that, because the fluid for the transmission is not the same as the transfer case. So careful to apply the right fluid. I'm gonna use one of these pumps, which are super cheap and you can get in any auto parts store. Once I start to refill the fluid, I'm gonna know when this is full, when the fluid start to come out from the filling plug. So that's gonna be the indication that it has enough fluid. Okay, the fluid is coming out. That means the transfer case is full. Same thing, it's time to place back my filling plug. I'm gonna tag this one by hand as well. As I said, trying to be gentle to don't damage the thread at all. Okay, I don't have any leak. The next thing is going to be place back the plate that I removed before. Alright, we already refilled the transfer case. The drain plug and the filling plug are not leaking. I already placed back this plate. And with this, basically, we're finishing the procedure. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if that is the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.